What's up, lawn dogs? Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, you might notice that's not Morgan next to me. It's Amelia, my youngest daughter. She is coming out today to work. She works on Fridays with me. She started last week, and this is her second week. And Micah and the boys are in the truck behind me. They are, well, Micah and his brother, the boys. The boys are in the truck behind me. And we are heading down to do a special project today. So stick around, watch this video, and we'll talk about it. We'll be right back. So hey guys, welcome back. What we are doing today is we are going to try to prep this field, seed it, and hopefully let Mother Nature take over with grass. They do not have a irrigation out here. However, in Michigan it's wet enough sometimes that you don't really need irrigation. Even right now, just from last night, I can tell this ground's a little wet. It's not super wet, but it's pretty wet. So what we're going to do here is start a little chain. Micah and Gabe and myself are gonna be on Mowers. Amelia, she's here with me. She's going around. She's picking up the big sticks right now. There's not too many. Me and Morgan already mowed this once, but we're gonna basically try to prep it. We're gonna mow it, dethatch it, and the reason I'm dethatching it is kind of use it like a rake, not so much detach it, but help tear up the ground, and mow it down as low as we can. Gabe's gonna drag it with a dragger, like what you see behind a softball field or baseball field, and then I'm gonna throw the seed down, and we're gonna see what Mother Nature can do for us. So here it is. Check out this footage, see what we can do. And then watch him, because he'll push a thing up here, and we're gonna want to move it. So guys, I know that's what you're saying. This is probably not the best way to do it, but to rototill this up, they did power rake it once, but you know there's always still sticks in the yard, and those we'll get those over time. But to power rake this again and rototill it up, throw grass seed down, all that, it costs a lot more than what they had budgeted for. So we're doing what we can with what we have. One day we'll get irrigation in here, and maybe, you know, maybe I was trying to find a way to put sod in even for them, but the problem is you got to have that irrigation. Without irrigation, it kind of limits us. But in a couple years we'll get this. It'll take a little bit. It'll take a little bit of time, a little longer to get it, but it will look good, and then this grass will be fine, and the field grass, you know, kind of will grow, and we'll have a nice field here. See the boys still working. We had to take a break. I caught up to them. Mike is setting the pace there. Gabe's behind them, dragging, and we're getting it tore up. So I might even go get another couple more bags and put them on here, kind of overseed it right now. I think I'm gonna, actually. I know I'm gonna. We're gonna do that, but yeah, it's gonna be a nice park. But so remember this image, because we'll come back to it one day. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna get back to it. What are you doing? Playing in the grass? You making the grass seed even in the bucket? This is a spreader I got.
I'm sticking bug net.
You got bit by a bug?
No, I killed it first.
Okay.
No. I can't do it anymore. But it's the truth.
As you see, we got the seat down. Hey, long dogs. So we're at the Toolbox of Tribute, and I'm really disappointed in a lot of you because I don't really have any more stickers coming in. Not very many. But this disappointed in the lawn care community. But I did get one in the mail, and it wasn't from a lawn care guy, but it was from a fellow YouTuber, BluWave Odyssey. I know you guys know them. They sent me a little a note and a sticker. And I'll read the note. It says, "Hey Floyd, thanks so much for your sticker. We have added it to our collection on the back of our travel trailer. See, give a sticker, take a sticker, take. Here's one of ours. We appreciate you taking the time to interview us on BluWave Odyssey and wish you the best with Mowers for Vets and your channel. Thanks for being a part of this community. Bob and Debbie, BluWave Odyssey." So hey, Bob, Debbie, thank you for the sticker. We're going to put you up here. This is not dedicated to just lawn care. It's dedicated to everybody who sends me a sticker on YouTube. So BluWave Odyssey, you're going to go right there next to Acme Mowing. Here, let me show you. So there you go, Bob and Debbie. You are on the toolbox.
My dad wanted me to remind you guys to always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone, except you. You know who you are. You know.